Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Sam. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my nighttime skincare routine, which doesn't really differ all that much from my daytime skincare routine, but I figured I would show you how I take my makeup off, what products I use, my overall skincare at night, and just kind of take you through my little skincare routine. And yeah, that's it. So if you want to see how I remove my makeup, the products that I use when I'm going to bed, and my skincare, then just keep watching. So I am currently in my bathroom right now because I'm going to wash my face, and to wash the makeup off of my face I use the Green Clean by Farmacy. I really love this product. It's a cleansing balm, so for me it really breaks down the makeup, it really breaks down, like, you know, the glitter, the mascara, like everything comes off when I use this. So I'm just going to grab a generous amount. Something else that I really love about this product is that it doesn't make my skin feel like oily or gross or just like ugh, like other cleansing balms. Like, I'm not a fan of the Clinique cleansing balm, but this one I really love. So I'm just grabbing about that much and I'm gonna work it into my hands and then just wash my face. I put it on my face when my face is dry. I don't wet my face before I use this. I just go right in and it breaks down the makeup. I used to use facial wipes, but I realized that my skin was breaking out because of it, and also it was drying out and it was just like the worst thing for my skin. So I stopped using those and I got into cleansing oils, but those broke me out also. So then I just switched over to cleansing balms and I've been loving this one ever since. Now I'm just gonna rinse all this off with some warm water. That's it. So as you can see, like everything, every strip of makeup came off my face. I can rub my eyes. There's no mascara on my face at all whatsoever. So next I'm gonna go in with my cleanser. So I always use the balm to take off my makeup, and then to clean my skin I go in with the Effeclar Medicated Gel Cleanser by Roche Posay. And I've been using this for almost 3 years already. It's a three-step program, and I discovered this when I was going to Costa Rica, like right before I left for Costa Rica. I was having really bad issues with my skin. I was breaking out a lot. I had like mild acne, and it was just like I tried every single thing. I even went to a dermatologist and nothing helped. And the woman at Dwayne Reed that was selling this told me to use it, just try it. And I was like, at that point I was like, all right, I might as well just try it, because at this point what do I have to lose? I've literally tried everything. So I gave it a shot, and while I was in Costa Rica I was using it and my acne really did clear up, and I've been using it ever since, and it really does help with my breakouts. You know, as long as I'm maintaining it. Sometimes I get lazy and I just give up on life, and it shows in my skin. But it's got 2% salicylic acid and 0.5% micro exfoliating LHA. So it's really good. I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse my face with this. Then I will just take a clean towel and just pat my face dry. And I'm gonna finish up the rest of my skincare at my vanity. So now that I'm back at my vanity, I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face. I am a little bit red because I did scrub a little bit harder, so that's for me kind of normal because I do like really work products into my skin, and it is a little bit on the sensitive side, so it does get red. But continuing on with my 3-step program from Roche Posay, the Effeclar system, I'm going in with the clarifying solution. which is 0.5% salicylic acid and 2% glycolic acid. And this is the toner. So I'm just gonna take it on a little cotton round. And I don't use a lot of it. I just do a couple of drops. And that's it. And then I will just scrub around my skin, and this will pick up any excess makeup that hasn't come off, which I do a really good job of cleaning my skin. So as you can see, not a lot of makeup is coming off. It's still pretty white. Next, I'm going to go in with the last step in this 3-step program, and it is the dual action acne treatment. It's like an acne spot treatment, and it is 5.5% benzoyl peroxide and 0.4 micro exfoliating LHA. And for me, most acne systems like Proactive or other acne medications or little, you know, 3 or 4 step programs tend to dry me out a lot, but this one actually doesn't. And I do use a really hydrating moisturizer, but even if I don't put on a moisturizer, it isn't drying on my skin, and it does feel comfortable. So I really do love that about it. Now, it does look like I'm putting a lot on because I guess I kind of am, but I put this on any breakouts that I have, and I also put it on anywhere where I had a breakout and I feel like it's still healing. So this system is focused on killing the bacteria that causes your acne. I mean, most acne systems and acne treatments are. So even though you don't see an acne bump or an acne scar or whatever, there's still potentially bacteria there. So I still put this on in those areas where a breakout has just healed or gone away, whatever. Or whenever I feel like a breakout's coming on, I put it there. So that way I'm trying to be a little bit proactive, so that way it doesn't come back or come out. So it does kill bacteria in that area. Then I will go in with my moisturizer, and my favorite moisturizer is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. This is my favorite moisturizer ever. It's super hydrating. I love a lot of the First Aid Beauty products, but this is my favorite moisturizer. I don't like the actual face moisturizer, but I love the Ultra Repair Cream on my face because it's super hydrating, and I tend to have dry skin sometimes. So I really love it because it's super hydrating and it doesn't break me out. It doesn't feel oily or greasy or gross. It's just really hydrating, and there's no parabens, no harsh chemicals, no colorants, none of that is in this. So it's very clean. Next, I'm going to go in with my eye cream, and I've been using by Juice Beauty the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. I really love this. I love the product inside. The applicator is not my favorite whatsoever. I honestly just use the applicator just to apply it, just like that, and then I rub it in with my fingers. But I'm not a fan of the applicator. I like to use it to apply the product. Not a fan. I use my fingers to just kind of rub it in very, very lightly, very gently. And I go onto my lids as well. It is very hydrating, and it is an anti-wrinkle eye treatment. So I'm hoping that my eyes stay youthful, okay? That's the goal. And then lastly, the last thing that I put on is by Glow Recipe. It is the Pineapple Seed Bright Serum. Now, I feel like this really does even out skin tone. It does help with texture. Sometimes I'll get little bumpies. That's just, you know, from wearing makeup, whatever. Even from sweating, like it just happens. My skin's very sensitive, like I said. So I love this specifically for evening out my skin tone, for evening out my skin texture. The smell is horrendous. I'm just gonna say that. Like, it's disgusting. I hate the way it smells, but the product itself is amazing. So I just put just a little bit on the forehead, a little on the nose, on the chin, and on the cheeks, and I just kind of work it in. And I only use this at night because honestly during the day this serum is very oily. Like, not oily, but it's very like shiny looking. And it can look a little greasy, but it does settle into the skin nicely. I just prefer using it at night. And then lastly, for my lips, I like to use the Instant Hydration Lip Plumper by Hasen. And the reason I like this is not just because it's a lip plumper, but because it is super hydrating and it just feels amazing on the lips. I always wear this underneath any lip product I'm wearing, whether it's a gloss, a lipstick, whatever. I always put this on first. And it really is super hydrating. And that is it. That is my entire skincare routine. I hope that you like this. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I put out new videos every single Monday, so if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!